In this video, we are going to show you how to set up your customized regional preferences on your Android. Let's dive in. Android 14 Update lets you set regional preferences for temperature, Celsius or Fahrenheit, the first day of the week, and more. That way, the apps can personalize the experience without the need to change it every time you install an app. Let's see how to do it. To customize it, simply open the Settings app on your Android. Now scroll down and navigate to System. Next, tap on Languages. Now search for and tap on Regional Preferences. From here, you can set your preferences for temperature as Celsius or Fahrenheit. You can also change the first day of the week to your preferred choice. Just tap on the options and select the appropriate option as per your preference. That's it. You have successfully set regional preferences for temperature and the first day of the week on your Android. For more tech tips and tricks like these, subscribe to Guiding Tech and discover one of these videos handpicked just for you.